How does it taste?
Right.
Yourself. I feel like a Michelin star chef.
I feel good. I feel good. I feel good, feel good, feel good. I feel good, feel good. Woke up this morning feeling a little strange. This state is foreign. I don't feel any pain. I don't understand it. Just like a starry day. This brand new orbit is where I wanna stay.
I was recording and you were giving us a CME. Oh yeah, keep going.
Oh my god, you guys. So I'm about to cook for M. But
yeah, she's about to boil rice. What the hell?
I'm literally about to boil rice. I'm making this whole shebang like I'm about to make some 7-star meal.
Literally, she set up the lights, everything for rice.
I'm sure I'm just like, you're boiling rice. Shut up.
How much rice am I boiling? I feel like a Michelin star chef.
Don't mess with me. I'm booking me to come to your house and give you 5%. Don't try it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. How are you guys all doing today? I just finished filming for my 7 days of Grow with Joe's walking workout. And I went to the market. By the way, they judged me so bad. They gave me so much judgmental looks because of this hair and this makeup. In today's video, I decided I'm going to start from today to start documenting 7 days of clean eating. Today I want to cook turkey pepper soup with sweet potatoes. However, this is the first thing I'm eating today and the time is, wait, let me check. Okay, so it's 6:30 and this is my first meal of the day. See the time on my phone, 6:30. Because I'm already getting hungry, I'm probably gonna have crackers. I don't know if that counts as clean eating, but it's real life. So I just felt like they were the safest things to eat, like no sugar biscuits, because I'm hungry, I'm starving, and I'm tired.
I feel good, feel good, feel good. I feel good, feel good.
Oh my god, you guys, this food smells amazing. I'm about to show you how it smells. It smells divine. Repeat after me. Divine. This food smells awesome. It's already coming out well. Colors are coming out the food. Oh, you guys see. This is the part where I have to add more water to the food, and it's supposed to be like pepper soup with sweet potatoes. I can't wait to eat this food. I love when like healthy food looks amazing, tastes amazing, like you're eating healthy food but it feels like you're eating a cheat meal. Completely love it. Let me do taste test for you people. This food is different. I can tell you that this food can heal the sick.
Some love for you while you be hating me.
Turkey pepper soup with sweet potatoes, amazing. It feels like it's a cheat meal. It tastes like it's a cheat meal. It shouldn't, healthy food shouldn't taste this good. It's amazing. I'm a little bit apprehensive about the week because they give us lunch at work, so I'm going to really try my best to see how I can make it work, because in as much as I want to do this, I also want it to be as stressless as possible, because I don't want it to be something that stresses my normal life or my normal routine, because that's the way you easily just give up and then you be like, I can't do this anymore, let me just keep eating bad junk food. I'm having rice with the pepper soup I made yesterday, you guys.
That's a drop though.
Please.
This is carbs, heavy ones.
I never said I was going to eat carbs, my dear.
Yes.
I'm just not eating no healthy food like fried foods and stuff. So just got back from church. Actually, let me confess, I had crackers. I think this is going to do me till like evening when I'll need a light snack. Here's what you think. So yeah, you guys, good morning. So today is Monday and I actually just realized something, you guys. I just realized that I have no idea, like I've made zero research about what clean eating is. I'm just saying, okay, I'm gonna eat healthier, but I just realized, okay, clean eating and then what? Because I woke up this morning, Casey was like, babe, I'm hungry, what are we going to eat? And I just realized, like, I want to eat clean, but I have no idea what that involves. Obviously I know what healthy foods are, but I just like, there's no structure. I don't have like a food list. I'm so ill prepared. So I decided I was going to do some research on clean eating specifically for weight loss, and obviously for Casey, just a healthier diet for both of us. So because I'm ill prepared and it's this morning, I started doing my research this Monday morning. Luckily, I even thought of the turkey pepper soup yesterday and day before yesterday, because I don't know what else I would have eaten, because I'm so sure crackers is not supposed to be part of clean eating. I don't think I'm supposed to be eating anything processed. So I've been doing a lot of research. However, because it's breakfast time, me and Casey are both hungry. From my days when I used to be vegan in Dubai, I had vegan days. I had a time in my life when I was vegan. I actually have a vlog about it. I'll link it somewhere so you guys can watch if you're interested. I just remember that for my vegan days, one thing that was a staple breakfast for me was banana pancakes. He went to buy some food items while I just got ready, cleaned up the room and stuff. And that's what I'm gonna make this
Not
morning.
south cause I rise when I rap. Bars on flex until your bra show you passion as a young and they was laughing, now they in the street bumping my tunes and singing my songs to me.
Good morning to my vlog festival.
Hey, hi, how you guys doing, man?
This man right here doesn't know that they use coconut oil to cook.
I know, is it today?
You are too rash.
The coconut oil we used to make is the one you grate it and squeeze it and boil it. Especially not the one you used to rub on.
It's the same thing.
It's not the same thing.
How don't you know that they use coconut oil to cook?
The same coconut oil you used to rub your body.
Yeah, but I gotta be rapping a lot, to be conscious, to be saying I'm how to be dropping these bars. I do it, I've talked to feel like an invite, ain't nothing for free. Oh yeah, I see you all up in my section. Thank you to the haters.
Hope this thing will not spread. So this is the batch I've just fried. These two. This one looks more like scramble. I didn't leave it long enough to flip it over. This one I learned from my mistake, but flipping it was difficult. I'm just gonna back it. The batch turned out better. This food
This is banana fried egg.
I'm telling you.
What will you say before? It's pepper.
How does it taste? Look and tell them how it tastes. It's delicious and you know it.
It's banana and fried egg. It tastes good though.
Whatever.
I like the taste of the banana.
I'll see you guys later.
I'm in your head, I invest, that's a short-term fee.
You guys, good morning. Today is day 4 of my clean eating experiment. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna eat today because today something exciting is happening. I'm meeting up with my YouTube mentor and bestie and friend, the greatest NELO OKEKE. Oh my god, you guys. Last thing I ate yesterday was the oatmeal that I showed you guys. And my medicine is twice in a day, so I don't know. And since I'm going out, I'm going to really have to try. Since you don't make noise, please. See, can you guys see him?
You are lying to them.
That what?
That oatmeal was.
Is that not the last thing I ate yesterday?
You carry one bowl of granite.
It was cashew nut, and it's inside the picture of the food. Casey, please leave my video.
Carry biscuits.
Why are you lying?
And put it.
He's lying. There was no biscuit in the house.
Boil 2 eggs.
Why are you? Clearly he's lying.
I be dropping these bars, I do it, I've talked to feel like an invite, ain't nothing for free. Oh yeah, I see
This oil is too much. Is it oil?
Yes.
It's oil.
I've never seen this in my whole life, but it's like drinking oil. I can't.
And with a side of fish, no, it's too much.
I can't.
You guys, please, I'm sure that shawarma counts as clean eating.
No, there's nothing you are cleaning today.
No, the only thing I've had is fish.
This is not clean.
NELO. It's clean.
You know all the oil that was inside this fish.
With access to drain it.
But still, there were still some oil.
So-
It's not clean at all.
No, no, it's clean. They grilled the fish. They didn't fry it.
Yourself. It's not.
In my mind, I'm eating clean.
This is not clean.
And I'm going to have a bite of the
They don't
shawarma.
even use healthy oil.
That means eating clean in Nigeria is impossible because what are you going to eat?
It's impossible, actually. No, it's not impossible. You have to make most of it for yourself.
Exactly. Like I've been making food at home. I've been making pepper soup and stuff. Unbelievable. Just a bite of shawarma is clean now.
It's not clean.
Flat bread.
No, it's not just
salad.
flat. It's not flat. It has calories inside.
You know,
Yes,
but there's
salad
no
cream.
sugar.
It has salad cream.
And vegetables, carrots, cabbage.
I like the way you are interpreting it.
Sharp today there is my Christmas day that NELO is in town. Whatever I eat today still passes as clean, okay?
Ice wicked.
Okay, this is clean eating, right? This is clean eating.
No.
Asu is clean eating, right?
It's not. Wait, what's this? Please give me fork.
I'm still clean eating, please. This is clean
This is
eating.
not clean eating.
This is beef now. Beef
It's not
and
clean eating.
That's made of
Yourself.
not beef.
There's plenty oil. Calories is plenty inside. Plenty.
Clean eating is not about the calories. Clean eating is about eating clean, eating unprocessed food.
Well, at least that's what I think. Give me props when I rap. Dap you up, then I leave, yeah.
You guys, good morning. I'm just looking for good light in my viewfinder, but I think this light is okay. So today is day 5 of my clean eating. Obviously, you guys said that. I don't know if I should call day 4 a mess, because in my mind I was clean eating and I ended up not even eating KC shawarma. I'm sure it's happy. I didn't know that you're not supposed to have oil like when you're clean eating. So you guys that have tried it before, educate me in the comment section, please. I decided not to. I wanted to do unripe plantain porridge before, but I'm running away from palm oil. I decided to just let's just boil it and make the sauce separately. Literally haven't been feeling well. Fun fact is I'm already seeing results. I'm already feeling results. I don't know if it's too soon because I've not done my workout in 3 days. So what I wanted to do after doing that video of working out for 7 days straight was actually to step it down to 5 days a week. Then eventually, maybe after a few months, step it down to 3 days a week, because I want it to be something I will do for a lifetime and that is sustainable. But because I felt ill, I've not been able to. But yeah, I'm really just managing myself, but still wanting to eat clean and healthy.
They love it when I speak. Baddie to the left of me, she kissing on my cheek.
This is going to do a taste test for us, because if I do the taste test myself, you guys will say it's because I cooked the food I'm saying is delicious. So please, darling, tell them how delicious my meal is.
I'll surprise you.
I gave you 2 turkey, remember that? That's your bribe. Say that again. Say you love it, baby. So I'm actually so proud of the fact that like this is day 5 and I'm already getting the hang of eating clean, making the meals myself, eating oilless food. Like I feel like the only thing I'm still working on is eating out. You guys, good morning. Today is day 6. I remember complaining to you guys that I'm a bit concerned about what I'll be having at work, since trust me, the staple of our work lunch is rice. It's not basmati rice, it's not brown rice, there's no option for that. It's either rice or like swallow. I'm actually feeling so smart right now because I figured it out. So yesterday for dinner, what I didn't show you is that we had whole wheat pasta. By the way, eating healthy is actually more expensive than eating cheap. Normal pasta is 250 naira. The whole wheat pasta is 700 naira. And I just figured I'll just put it in a flask, warm it this morning, put it in a flask and take to work for my lunch. So that's out of the way. And then for dinner, me and Casey can always figure something out. Obviously, I'll let you guys know. So for snacks, because I'm someone who really likes biscuits, like I like snacking on biscuits. Even though it's crackers or something, it's still, I feel like it's still a bit processed. So I got something else for snacks to replace snacking on biscuits. I got almonds and I got sesame seed snacks. Even though the sesame seed snacks, I think it's processed, but I checked the ingredients, there are only 3, just sesame seeds, peanuts and honey. So that will be my snack staple, and it's not pricey, so I'm like, why not? Chicken, why the heck not? I don't want to say the challenge will be dinner because I believe I have enough time to figure it out, but I will figure it out. So it is possible to kind of have a healthier diet in Nigeria. It's just, you just have to make so many replacements and be ready to be financially committed to the process. So yeah, you guys, good morning. First of all, I'm feeling my hair knotless braids come through. Okay, so today is the end of our experiment. Our clean eating night on the Nigerian health diet experiment ends today. And well, it doesn't end because it's a lifestyle and I'm going to continue. However, I realized I didn't tell you guys what day 6 dinner was and day 7 breakfast was. So I ended up having a whole wheat, some slices of whole wheat bread with omelette for dinner on day 6 and breakfast on day 7, which I didn't film. Some snacks, and then dinner on day 7 was oatmeal with bananas and almond nuts. This time I used almond nuts, not cashews. Like pretty much what I showed you guys the other time. What I've noticed from this experiment is you can't focus on so many things when you're trying to start, because I was focusing on clean eating, so I completely forgot about calorie counting and I forgot about like being intentional about drinking water. So I had to be mindful of those things. Number 2, clean eating can be an expensive journey. The number 1 mistake I think I made was I wasn't prepared. I didn't do enough research before I started. I did the research after I started. So definitely do the research before you start. so you don't make mistakes like me and go and be eating ukwobi and stuff outside. Meal prep is an important thing. I think I used to think people are exaggerating when they talk about meal prep, but it's an important thing, you guys, not gonna lie. So yeah, all in all, the results, I don't want to say that the weight loss results is just from clean eating, because I told you guys I've not been feeling well, so there's that as well. But I lost 1 kg in this 1 week and haven't worked out at all because I told you guys I wasn't feeling well. So I'm actually really excited to see where the journey goes, especially when I resume my workout from next week and continue the journey of eating clean. That's not to say that once in a while if I'm craving something. But you know the funny thing, I've realized I don't even crave any junk anymore. Like I don't crave Chicken Republic, I don't crave. It's wild. Like that used to be the staple of our diet. So I think this whole thing is just a journey. Hope you guys have enjoyed the journey and the experience. Let me know what you guys think about it. I love you guys and I'll see you in the next one.
Dark times need faith, man, but she been patient. I've been rolling downtown, stay focused. Cheap smiles get clouded, baby, this is showbiz. All signs say hopeless. This is life in the low end. And if my girl stick around, then she probably get the short stick. Going through the mud, even if it don't stick. Don't switch, she gon' ride till it don't fit. Don't quit, I'ma pay for